Okay, I want to talk about the concept of a foreign key and show you how to create one using this interface. So a foreign key is a primary key from one table that appears as a field in another table. So an example might be, let's say you had a car dealership and you had salespeople in one table, cars in another table. So in the salespeople table, you might have an ID, salesperson ID field, that would appear as the primary key in that table. But that salesperson might sell a lot of different cars. So that key, that primary key from the salesperson table could appear in the cars table every time or for every record where a car is sold by that person. So that would become the foreign key in the cars table. Here's another example. We got a manufacturer's table. So let's say we got manufacturers like Sony, Apple, Toshiba that appear primary key in that manufacturer's table. But for every computer, we need to know who the maker or manufacturer is, so that field's going to appear as a foreign key in the computer's table. It's the primary key in the manufacturer's table, a brand name, but it'll be a foreign key in the computers table to identify several different computers that might be manufactured by the same company. So let's see how to create that. So to use this interface to create a foreign key, 2 or 3 steps you want to do. You want to click on the table where it's going to appear as a foreign key. So since the field is a primary key in the manufacturers and it's going to be a foreign key in the computers, I'm going to click on the computers table over here. And in this interface, when you do that, it's going to take you to this Browse tab. So once you've clicked the table, then click this Structure tab up here. So we've clicked the table, we've clicked Structure, and then we want to go to this Relation View. And we just need to set a few, or choose a few things here. We need to give the key a name. So this is just something in the database to identify it. So usually foreign keys are called F key, underscore, whatever. So let's call it MANU for manufacturer or something. So that's just kind of a generic name. You can call it pretty much what you want. But here's the important things we need to choose. We need to choose what column to tie it to. So it's going to be that brand name. Database is already set. We don't need to mess with that. We need to get where the table, what table it's getting that foreign key from, the primary key from. So we're going to choose manufacturers. And the table or the field we're going to choose, if it's not already chosen, is the field they have in common. So we got brand name here, brand name there. The table we're getting it from here, we've given it a name, and that's all we have to do. Just hit save down here. So that's how you create a foreign key on a table. Go to the table you want to create it on, and then do those steps.